Hi, my little library friends. Welcome to our Tumblebooks story time. Today's story is called A Camping Spree with Mr. Magee. Now, if you remember, about a month ago or so, we went down to the sea with Mr. Magee. And that was a fun story. He always gets in lots of trouble, him and his dog, yes. So that's the story. So you go to Tumblebooks, and the instructions on the next screen you see will tell the adult with you what to do. And when you're done, you come back to me and I will tell you what I have for take and make kits. Enjoy the story. Hi, welcome back. Did you enjoy the camping spree with Mr. Magee? Great. Do you go camping with your family? I love to go camping. And when you're camping, you're outside a lot, right? Unless it's raining, but you're outside a lot. And so there's so many things to do outside in the summertime. Now, I've put together a few kits, and inside the kits there's going to be some fun activities for you to do outside. There's going to be some nature bingos and a scavenger hunt, and there's going to be bubbles and sidewalk chalk and maybe one more thing, a surprise. So if you would like one of our take and make kits, make sure you get your parents to email me or call me and put one aside for you. All right? Enjoy your summer. Bye now.